Alright, I want to make a YouTube video, first one. This is the pool I came to look at on Monday, July 2nd. Very nice pool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and the customer's pool that I just showed you. The customer's home, so I didn't really want to go through all the testing with doing the video in front of the customer, and also I brought the water home with me, and we're going to do it here. First thing I'm going to do is the alkalinity, and I use this sample sizer right here. It's called the sample sizer. It's got a 10 ml side and the 25 ml side. It gives you exactly the amount of water that you need. And I believe this is the 91-94 test tube. Little indent right here. That works. Ones out of your test kit don't work because they got a flat bottom. So that's not going to give you the exact amount of water that you need. But the way you use this is really simple. Just pour in water a little bit more than you need, and then push this all the way down, and the water comes out of it, just like that. And that's all you need. This is what I use for my chlorine side. And you can see, let me just use the chlorine right now. And she had very little chlorine in there. So, as you can see, very little chlorine. That's probably only about 1 ppm right there. So I got 1 drop, 2 drops, and that's it. And a good indication of high calcium hardness too, if you ever notice that. But when you look at this, I don't know if you can see it. Let me go up a little bit closer. When you look at this water, how it's not clear, that's a good indication of high calcium hardness. So chlorine is low. Now let's test the let's get some alkalinity in there. I'll go up to the 25 ml on that. Rinse this out. And let's go up to the 25 ml. Put this in, and now that'll give us exactly what we need for 25 ml. And then I like to use the speedster right here. It's kind of cool. Put in the little magnetic ball there, or a little bar, and turn it on. 2 drops is the number 7. 5 drops is the number 8. You got to make sure your bottle is straight up and down too, not on an angle, because the drops really matter on this here. So let's go. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. Let's turn on the light here so you can see it better. Okay, that's 60 right there on the alkalinity. Let's put in 1 more, and you notice it didn't change. So we're going 60 with the alkalinity. And that's pretty low for that. Now again, if this pool had no conditioner in it, 60 would be bottom line, bare minimum what they want this pool. It's low. The 60 to well, they say like 80 to 120, but actually it's like you want no lower than 60. But the 60 is the true alkalinity, not the reading alkalinity, and that's the reading alkalinity right now. So that's not really our true alkalinity. The only way we get our true alkalinity now is we'll need to get a conditioner sample here. We've got to fill it up to the line with water, with the pool water. Okay, we're up to the line. And we got our reagent, number 13 reagent. Go all the way up to the rim of the bottle. There's the rim of the bottle, and then we mix it for 30 seconds. That's 15. couple more, about 5 more seconds here. Okay, I like using this tube here with a bigger dot because you can see it better than this tiny little one right here. You can barely even see that. It's a more accurate reading. You use a lot more reagent than you do with this. Here's the bottle that you would use with the other one. A lot less reagent, but this is a lot more accurate for me. So now we pour this in until the dot disappears, kind of like fades out. That's about it right there. And we're about 80 on the conditioner. So put that in here. Let's empty this out. Okay. Now what you got to do, since you have a conditioner, adds to your alkalinity. So we have to subtract our conditioner, and let me go get the that pH meter. Slice that out, I guess. All right. Here's the pH meter that I use right here. It's really accurate, and you don't have to guess the colors. So let's put the water in here, and put it in, turn it on, and let's see what the pH is. Alright, pH is about 7.4. It's 7.4. So now what you have to do is find out what the factor is of pH 7.4, and that's the way we do that is by the LSI. You look at this, pH 7.4 is 0.31. So now to figure out our true alkalinity of that pool, go 60 is your reading alkalinity, and you subtract your 80 conditioner times the 0.31 factor of the pH. That gives you your true alkalinity of 35. That's really low. And then plus with that low pH, that pulls acidic. So I ended up putting in about 3 pounds of I put about 3 pounds of sodium bicarb, which I just use baking soda, and but the pool is going to be dumped anyways in about a week and a half. When the customer gets back from vacation, we're just going to go ahead and dump the pool. But as you can see by that reading there, the alkalinity and everything is low. So I'm going to go ahead and next time I'm going to show you guys how to figure out the right amount of sodium bicarb to put into that pool, the right amount of calcium chloride or conditioner, and also to do the math on figuring out the LSI and things like that. So, but anyways, if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Like I said, it's my first video, so it's kind of like you know, they'll get better as they go along, obviously. But that's about it for now. All right, thanks. Bye.